Very good morning all of you. Let's continue exercise 20a, question number 11. Find the area of a square, the length of whose diagonal is 72 centimeter. So here diagonal is given. We know if the diagonal is given how to find the area of the square. That is area of the square is equal to half into diagonal square. That is half into, here diagonal is 72. So half into 72 square. So half into 72 become 2592 centimeter square. Question number 12 is the area of a square is 16,200 meter square. Find the length of its diagonal. By using the same formula we can solve this question. Area is equal to half into diagonal square. Here area is given 16,200. Okay, that is equal to half into diagonal square. Now diagonal square is equal to, we are taking this 2 to this side, then 2 will be multiplied. 16,200 into 2, it becomes 32,400. Therefore diagonal is equal to square root of 32,400, which is equal to 180 meter. Question number 14. The area of a square plot is 6084 meter square. Find the length of the wire which can go 4 times along the boundary of the plot. Here area of the square plot is given. We know how to find the area of a square, is it? And what is given left? Find the length of the wire which can go 4 times along the boundary of the plot. Boundary of the plot means there we have to find the perimeter of that square plot. Then after finding the perimeter, we will multiply with the 4. Then we will get the total length of the wire. See, given area is equal to 6084. What do you mean by area? Side into side. That is equal to 6084. Then side is equal to square root of 6084, which is equal to 78 meter. So we got what is the side of that square field. Now we can find the perimeter. Perimeter of the square plot is equal to 4 into side. 4 into 78, which is equal to 312 meter. Now we want to find the total length of the wire which will go 4 times along the boundary. Now, so total length of the wire is equal to 312 into 4, which is equal to 1248 meter. Question number 15. A wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter, find its breadth, which figure encloses more area and how much. Once again we can see this question. There is a wire which is in the shape of a square. Side is given 10 centimeter. And that wire is bending again and making a rectangle. And for that rectangle, the length is equal to 12 centimeter. One thing is clear that for this square and this rectangle, the total length of the wire used is same, which means the perimeter of both of these figures are same. By using that one, we can find what is the breadth of this rectangle. Okay, let's find first that one. Given side of this square is equal to 10 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 4 into 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to total length of the wire. That is equal to perimeter of the rectangle also. What is perimeter of the rectangle? We know the formula 2 into L plus B. That is 40 is equal to 2 into L, it is given 12 meter. B, we don't know, that we have to find. So 2 into 12 become 24. 2 into B, 2B. Now take this 24 to this side. 40 minus 24 becomes 16. So 2B is equal to 16, which means breadth is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. And here we have to find one more thing. Which figure encloses more area and how much? Okay. Here we can find the area of the first one. Area of the square is equal to side square. 10 square is equal to 100 centimeter square. Area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. 12 into 8, which is equal to 96 centimeter square. What is the difference between these two? 4 centimeter square. Here area of the square is bigger than area of the rectangle and it is more than by 4 centimeter square. Number 16. A godod is 50 meter long, 40 meter broad and 10 meter high. Find the cost of whitewashing its 4 walls and ceiling at rupees 20 per square meter. So here first of all we want to find what is the area of this total 4 walls. Then we will find what is the area of this ceiling. Then we will find what is the total area. Then we will find the cost of whitewashing it. We are having a formula, area of 4 walls equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Here all these measurements are given in the question. So 2 into 50 plus 40 into 10. 50 plus 40 become 90. 2 into 90 into 10 is equal to 1800 meters square. We got the area of 4 walls. Now we are going to find what is the area of the ceiling. Area of the ceiling is equal to length into breadth only because that ceiling will be in the shape of a rectangle. So 50 into 40 length and breadth we are multiplying. It is equal to 2000 meters square. Now we can find what is the total area here. 1800 plus 2000 which is equal to 3800 meters square. Now what is the total cost of whitewashing it? 3800 into per meter square the cost of whitewashing is 20 rupees. So we are multiplying by 20 which is equal to rupees 76,000. Question number 17. The area of the 4 walls of a room is 168 meters square. The breadth and height of the room is 10 meter and 4 meter respectively. Find the length of the room. We are using the same formula for finding area of 4 walls is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Area is given in the question 168. 2 into L we don't know plus B is 10 and H is 4. We are substituting all the values. Now 2 into L plus 10 that we are keeping here. We are taking this 4 to this side. Then it becomes 168 divided by 4 which is equal to 42. That is 2 into L plus 10 is equal to 42. 2 into L plus 10 means 2 into L plus 2 into 20. Sorry, 2 into 10 become 20. So 2L plus 20 is equal to 42. Or 2L is equal to 42 minus 20 is equal to 22. Therefore length L is equal to 22 divided by 2 is equal to 11 meter. Question number 19. The area of the 4 walls of a room is 120 meters square. If the length of the room is twice its breadth and the height is 4 meter, find the area of the floor. Okay. See here given area is 120 meters square and height is also given 4 meter. The relation between length and breadth is given. Length of the room is twice its breadth. That is L is equal to 2 into B. So in the place of L we are substituting the value 2B. Our formula is area is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. That is 120 is equal to 2 into, instead of L we are substituting 2B. 2B plus B into 4. 2B plus B become 3B. So 2 into 3B into 4. We can multiply these values. 2 into 3 6. 6 4s are 24. So 120 is equal to 24B. Or B is equal to 120 by 24 which is equal to 5. Now listen, we have to find what is the area of the floor. For finding the area of the floor is in the shape of a rectangle, so we need length and breadth. Breadth already we got now, that is B is equal to 5. Length is Length is given like this, L is equal to 2 into B. So instead of L we are writing 2B and here B is equal to B only. So 2 into B become 2 into 5. Here into 5. So 2 into 5 10. Then 5. 10 into 5 become 50 meter square. Question number 20. A room is 8.5 meter long, 6.5 meter broad and 3.4 meter high. It has 2 doors and each measuring 1.5 meter by 1 meter and 2 windows each measuring 2 meter by 1 meter. Find the cost of painting its 4 walls at rupees 160 per meter square. Listen, in this question, the question is asking for finding the cost of painting. But before that, we have to find what is the area we have to paint over there. Here 4 walls are there, but in that 4 walls, 2 doors and 2 windows are also there. So first we will find what is the area of the door and area of the windows. Then we will subtract that area of the doors and the area of the windows from the total area of the floors. Okay. Then we will get what is the or how much area we have to paint. Then we will find what is the cost of painting. Let's see. Area of 4 walls including doors and windows is equal to, including area we are finding first. That is 2 into L plus B into H. That is equal to 2 into 8.5 plus 6.5 into 3.4. 2 into 15 into 3.4, which is equal to 102 meters square. Now area of one door we can find because length and breadth is given in the question. So L into B, 1.5 into 1, which is equal to 1.5 meters square only. Now area of 2 doors, 2 into 1.5 is equal to 3 meters square. Similarly, area of one window is equal to L into B, 2 into 1, 2 meters square. Area of 2 windows, 2 into 2 is equal to 4 meters square. Now, area of the walls excluding doors and windows. Now, we are removing this area of doors and windows from the total area. Total area was 102 minus area of the doors and windows 3 and 4, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 102 minus 7 is equal to 95 meters square. Is it? Therefore, cost of painting is equal to 95 into 160, which is equal to rupees 50,200.